Hello and good morning to all. Welcome to DSS online class. It is second chapter MS Access. Well, as of now, as you all know that you have completed mostly the concept of this chapter theoretically and practically. All the concept we have all discussed all of them, and today we'll have today topic to be covered: what is data and information, second what is database, third what is DBMS, fourth what is MS Access, fifth point objects and database, and how MS Access is different from MS Excel, use of MS Access database. Okay, well, what is data and information? So first question for today, what is data and information? Well, in a daily life, whenever we are working something, like suppose you are typing a message, fine, and you are storing some data in your phone. Suppose you are written a name Ram, then let's suppose you have written a mobile number, then let's suppose you have written a email ID. So if I am carrying all these value individual, like this name, this mobile number, email ID, then it will not be easy for identify that which child is this, which mobile number is this, and which email ID is this. Fine. Then it will not be easy for identify that which child name and mobile number and email ID. But if I tell you that these all are the belong on a single person, then it will become so easy for you understand this data. Fine, and tell you that in that case it will convert it to the information. Okay, fine. So any piece of data, fact, figure, value that you're getting for your surrounding term of data. For example, somebody told you that today's temperature is 32 degrees Celsius. So this 32 degrees Celsius is a data. Today is a data, and today date will also data. For example, 2nd May. So this is the data item. Okay, and if we calculate, we just write proper form. It means we are writing that today on 2nd May temperature is 30 degrees Celsius. It was our data, and here we organize it. We have organized it, and then we are organized the data, converted the information. And the best part information is that when we read this information, or when this information is analyzed, it creates knowledge. So these things happen with in the real life, in computer also, and smartphone also. So every piece, fact, figure, value that you are getting from your surrounding, from your mobile phone, from your computers, these all can be that data values. And when we arrange, we are write properly and become in informations. Okay, now let's have look at this diagram. Overview this picture. See this, there are various data values, separate values. When we are storing correctly and processing them, then converting into the information. Fine. So it's means that multiple data values are processed, they create our information, and this information generally meaning for the information, it means something to us. Now come to what is data. An organized fact and figures which are meaningless in nature are termed as data. And information, when data is processed, it becomes meaningful and thus terms as information. Okay, fine. So it is the key concept. Data and information, like any piece of fact figure that you are getting, is termed as data, and when it is written from, organized properly and become at informations. So इसको राइट प्रॉपरली करेंगे या जो भी है इसका जो भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन होगा उसको प्रॉपर तरीके से तो उसके इन्फॉर्मेशन में वो आ जाएगा. ठीक है. ओके. नाउ लेट्स डिस्कस अबाउट डेटाबेस. ओके, what is database? If I will break these words, become data and base. Data means that fact or value, and base means a place to key, a place to keep something. Okay, fine. So if you break these words, database, it becomes data and base. Data means a piece of value or any facts, and this base is a term that a place to keep some things. Okay, well, this data in general, raw fact, well, data in general is any kind of raw, and when you organized collect all these raw facts and figures, then it create a database. Now let's read this paragraph. Okay, database is an organized collection of related data values in such a way that they can be used to generate useful information which is necessary for decision making process. So in easy word, we can say that all these data use or collect properly, then it can help you to create data and information. Then further this information used for, this is the making process, and the place it's we are keeping data in a database. Well, this database is a warehouse, we can say its place where database is stored. Now next term is what is DBMS, database management system. Okay, now in this general we can get to them DBMS. They can ask from full from database management system. Sometime they can ask proper definitions or some other things. So then all the cases answers should be related to this terms database management system. Okay, well, DBMS database management system, fine. So as the name suggests, it is database management systems. It means it is the system, it's a software that will manage databases. It's a software that will manage databases, and here this terms management means we can create, we can edit, we can remove, we can modify it. Fine, वी कैन रिमूव ऑल, मतलब सॉर्ट ऑफ सब कुछ ये क्या करता है, क्रिएट कर सकता है, एडिट कर सकता है, रिमूव कर सकता है, मॉडिफाई भी कर सकता है. ओके, सो दिस डेटाबेस DBMS इज ए कंप्यूटर बेस्ड एप्लीकेशन यूज टू क्रिएट, स्टोर एंड मैनिपुलेट द डेटाबेस. इट्स हेल्प इन क्विक रिवेल ऑफ प्रोसेस्ड इंफॉर्मेशन. सम कॉमनली यूज DBMS सॉफ्टवेयर आर MS Access, एक्सटेंशन दिया हुआ है, फाइल का एक्सटेंशन दिया हुआ है. ठीक है, So DBMS is a software to collect the information, okay? And second is triple O based. The extension of triple O base is .odb. Now next is MySQL extension is .mdf. Now next is MySQL, वो सर्वर है, ये MySQL है, ठीक है, .sql. Now next one is Oracle. File extension is .dbf, okay? Now read this box. Note SQL. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. Is a special language which is used for writing DBMS command and it also help in managing database. ये भी क्या करता है, आपका मैनेज करता है DBMS. यहाँ पे भी होता है, SQL में भी होता है, ठीक है. ये भी एक डेटाबेस है, SQL भी एक डेटाबेस है, जैसे MS एक्सेस है. नाउ अभी के लिए बस इतना ही. थैंक यू. हैव ए नाइस डे.